Hi everyone, I'm Ben Bristow, lead DJ lecturer here at Point Blank Music School, and this is a taster of our online DJ skills module. So one important thing to consider when practicing with two tracks is to count the phrases at the start of your track so that you know exactly how many sections there are until a dramatic change, and that means you can time your mix around that point. For example, you might have a tune where there's 3 8-bar sections from the very beginning till the first breakdown, and it means you could almost make your mix last for only 3 phrases, timing everything you do around the fact that that breakdown is going to happen after 3 whole phrases. So you can make sure that you've got the outgoing track completely out of the mix so that just as that goes into a breakdown, this has come out and it sounds a lot more fluid and natural. Setting cue points on these sections can help because then you can quickly skip to that section, see how long it is, and now you know how to time the mix. This means you can avoid getting caught out where this might have dropped, where actually that one's still playing and you wish you just got rid of it at that point and it would have sounded a lot more natural. So with dance music, house music especially, generally 8-bar sections are 15 seconds long. For example, with this one, that's the first beat of the whole track. But if I go to the first breakdown, it happens just after 1 minute. So that tells me that there's 4 8-bar sections from the very beginning until that breakdown. So it means I can almost subdivide that 4-phrase section up into what I'm doing with my mixer controls. For example, I could bring it in with the bass and the mids down, and that takes 8 bars. I could then swap the bass over, which is another 8 bars, swap the mids over, and that's another 8 bars, and then fade out the outgoing track, and that's the final phrase before this one goes into a breakdown. So it means I feel more in control of the mix because I know exactly where I'm going to have got rid of this track for this one to come in. So I'll just give you an example of that. So I'm now on the last phrase. I'm going to fade this one out. Just in time for that breakdown. So it's one way you can approach it. If you know where those definite moments are going to happen, you can time stuff around it and it sounds a lot more fluid and natural when you transition from one track to the other. So in this module, we're going to look at a range of techniques, how to connect equipment, how to use the CDJs and mixer, and a variety of different beat matching techniques and ways of getting between tracks, and also look at Rekordbox software. If you want to find out more, check out pointblankmusicschool.com.